Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, let's create a virtual machine scale set. So for that, you can just go to the search option and type virtual virtual machine scale set. Okay, so we have the regular virtual machines. Okay, so which we have already seen. So now we are creating a virtual machine scale set. Okay, let me just click on to that. Okay, so right now we don't have any scale sets. Let me click on create. All right, so first is subscription. It's a free trial. The next is the resource group. I have multiple resource group. Let me just select one of the resource group called Euron storage. If you don't have the resource groups, just create a new resource group. So next I need to give the virtual machine scale set name. I'll just give Euron uh, VM scale set. Okay, and the region I'll go with the East US, and the availability zone I can select all these three availability zones just to show you like the auto scaling process. And so orchestration mode, so here we need to select something called orchestration, so that defines the attributes of the virtual machine instances. So we have the flexible and the uniform. So inside the flexible, we can achieve the high availability at the scale with the identical or multiple virtual machine types. And we have the uniform, which is optimized for the large scale stateless workloads, right? So I'll go with the flexible. So next is security type is the trusted launch virtual machines. Though next is scaling mode, I'll go with the manual. Okay, so we have the different options. So based on your requirement, you can just select it. So instance count, let's keep it 2. And this is what the image is, and it's telling that so standard BS this size not available in zone 1, 2, 3, and zone 3 are supported. So what I can do here is so let me just change the region. Let's see. Let me go to the US West and region 1, 2, 3. Okay, so size is not available here also. Let's try with Asia Pacific East Asia. Here also is not available. Canada Central. Okay, so in the Canada Central, I have those zones 1, 2, 3. Okay, and so I even have selected the standard B1S with one CPU and 1 GB memory. Okay, so here username, I'll just click on create new key pair. Okay, and this is my key pair name, that is e key. All right, so next let me go to the next section, that is spot. So here I'll go with all the default values. Next is the disk, same default values. So inside the networking, so I need to make few changes. So here we have the virtual network, and this is my and this is my network name. Okay, so I need to make some changes here. Let me just click on to that. So here I need to make this public access enabled, and so I need to allow this inbound rules for HTTP, HTTPS, SH. Okay, so because we are doing HTTP, you can just check only the HTTP also. Okay, it's similar to the same thing what we have done in the previous virtual machines demo, right? We'll be adding some script here. Okay, like Nginx server. So make sure you enable this public access. All right, so let me click OK here. Okay, we have made the changes. All right. So next is the load balancer, very important because we are creating a scale sets now. So I want to balance the load between the instances. Okay, we are creating a 2 instances, right? So that's what we have given in the basics. We just go here basics. So that's where the instance count is 2, right? So here we need to create a load balancer. So right now we don't have any load balancers. Let me click on create a load balancer. So I'll just give here Euron demo load balancer. Okay, and the public, so rest everything I'll just go with the default one. The port is 8080 and click on create. Okay, and the demo Euron demo load balancer got created. And the next important thing is go to advanced section, and here inside the custom data, so let me add the custom data here. So this is my custom data, so where we are installing the Nginx, okay, instead of echo. So let me just tell that welcome to Euron along with the host name. Okay, so let's do this. All right, so this is my custom data. So rest everything is correct. Let me click on review and create. Okay, validation passed. Let me click on create. And even let me download this private key. So it got downloaded with the same name. Okay, whatever we have given in the form. Okay, so deployment is in progress. It will take few minutes. So I'll be back once this is done.